Hey, hi guys! Welcome to
another video of Science Dudes. Now guys, this time we are not playing anything. We are working on the dinosaur cave.
Exactly.
Yeah. Remember last time with the giant fire?
Right.
That was awesome.
So
guys,
today,
which one do you think we should start with? The Velociraptor? The Velociraptor is called Charlie. He's the most famous raptor. But the Endoraptor can... Do you know what? The Endoraptor is like this big.
yeah. Right. So
And guys, this is the speed dinosaur. It goes like this.
exactly.
And guys, and do you know what? This guy just never stop running. Never, ever, 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 ever.
Ever.
Stop running!
Right. So shall we explain what we do? We measured out 1 kilos of icing sugar,
Yeah. And then
1 kilograms,
Yeah.
and 250 grams of soda carbonate. Hey guys, so we finished with the actual experiment.
It was so cool, yeah?
So basically, now we have a dinosaur cave. Look. Whoa, where am I going? Nom, 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 nom.
Daddy,
Look, I can eat my wall.
Velociraptors. Daddy,
What?
Velociraptors do not eat black things.
Benny, look. The Velociraptors are eating walls, are they? I show you.
Nope, they're not.
What's happening here?
Oh no. Yes.
We have to hide.
Oh, guys, no. Guys, pretend this dinosaur is an alien.
Okay.
Oh! Ooh.
Oh no. Oh, it's Christmas
Guys,
time.
stop!
Yay.
Guys, wait! Guys, it does not snow! Come on.
Snowing sugar.
Wait, snowing sugar? Man, stop. Dinosaur. Man, Velociraptors eat meat. You need to hide from me and Badass.
Okay.
These
I'm hiding
dinosaurs can be super strong.
behind the stone.
Yes,
Where are the dinosaurs?
oh.
Oh no! Help! Oh no!
Badass, you can kill me.